So let's create our first program using Mu. First, start by clicking New to create a new program. Now, let's type our code into the editor. We're going to type print, open a bracket, create a speech mark, and then the message that we want to appear. In this case, hello world. We're then going to close our speech marks and close our bracket. Once we've written our code, we can now actually save our program by clicking on Save. I'm going to call my program Hello World and clicking Save again. Now our program's saved, we can run it by clicking on the Run icon. Hopefully, if all goes well, you should see the message Hello World appear in the REPL at the bottom of the screen. Now, if there are any errors in your program, they'll appear as red text in the bottom of the screen here. If you do experience an error, just look over your code carefully and make sure everything is correct. There are a few important points to remember. Firstly, Python is case sensitive. So print with a capital P is different to print with a lowercase p. Also, your message must be in between speech marks. If it isn't, you're going to see an error. Also, print is expecting us to open a bracket and close a bracket. If you don't, you will see an error, like this one. If you do see an error, fix it, click Stop to stop your program, and then Run to run it again.